Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Sudowrite for AI ideation to drafting novels. Complete guide step. To activate Sudowrite for AI ideation to drafting novels, begin by visiting the Sudowrite website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details including your name, email address, and a secure password. Check your email for a confirmation link from Sudowrite. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once verified, log in to your new Sudowrite account. Explore the home page to familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the Get Started section for a guided introduction. Choose your preferred writing mode, such as brainstorming or drafting. Utilize the ideation feature to generate story prompts or character ideas. Input any pre-existing ideas or themes you want to explore further. Experiment with the describe feature for detailed descriptions of settings or characters. Use the draft option to start writing scenes or chapters based on your ideas. Highlight text to access additional options like rewriting or expanding your work. Take advantage of the feedback option to receive suggestions for improvements. Use the save feature regularly to keep your work secure. When ready, explore the export options to save your novel in various formats. Return to the dashboard to continue developing your story whenever needed. Engage with the Sudowrite community for tips and support along the way. Continue experimenting with the tool to enhance your writing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.